My name is Mike Auksi, and I am here at Teras Sportikeskus, and where I've been a trainer since September 2013. I've worked with one tennis player, one golfer, and several recreational athletes that and all have done really well, and I'm enjoying the experience very much. And I'm putting together a group of videos that will demonstrate some of the tennis-specific exercises that I think will benefit the young athletes, the young tennis players here in Estonia. And so thanks so much for checking out my videos and my website, and I really look forward to meeting everybody. Okay, aitäh!